this old building. And look what we have. We have an old freight elevator. And it's a manual Otis. And not just that. I wonder what that means. That's right. It's a micro drive. This door is insanely heavy, so pardon my poor camera work while I try to close it. Wow, that was loud. All right, here it is. All right, I'm recording with my light now. Let's take the elevator and let's bring it down. All right, looks like this is low speed. And that's high speed. That's right, the elevator just self-leveled. Now, in case you didn't realize, I didn't level it. That was the elevator. So let's see that again. Let's bring it up slowly. That's high speed. That's low speed. And then that's stop. And then in the middle is just neutral, or not going anywhere. So push it forward. And now we're gonna let it go. See how I let it go? And it's leveling itself to the first floor automatically. That's pretty awesome. All right, let's take it up. It's an antique, so we gotta be gentle with it. Look at that. We'll watch the sheaves. We're at the top. See, it's making its little adjustment to get it level. And now we're at the floor. So in the meantime, we'll get a look around the cab. That looks like where the counterweight goes by. All right. Take it on another ride, why don't we? Whew. That was a big bang. Looks like there's a door back there. I'm sure that's for like a loading dock of some sort. It looks like they've decommissioned this exit because first off, this is actually as far down as the elevator will even go. So it won't even go down to this level. So they probably decommissioned that whole exit there. But look at this. So incredible. All right, we're gonna take it back to 3 and then leave it at 2 where I found it. So let's take one more ride. Here's the crank. And then, oh, I thought someone was trying to use the elevator. I guess someone's out there picking up packages from the mailbox. All right, let's bring it up. So we pull this typically you pull this handle out to release it, but I don't think it does that anymore. So, but we'll do it anyway, just for the sake of doing it properly. Pull the handle out, and then tip it in the down direction. Oh wait, what am I thinking? Can't go down any further. Up. All right, now high speed. All right, now watch it do its thing. Awesome. Anyway, that will be it.